Hi, you would think that after 20 plus years as a professional trader, I would not be quite so enthusiastic about what I do, but the truth is that what really excites me today is the thought of changing lives, because that is what successful trading will do for you. It changes your life. It allows you to have choices, and believe me, choices really are wonderful things to have in your life. The course here is my original Market Makers Method course. This is the same course that I used to have available on YouTube. But like I said in an earlier video, now I've done something rather special with it. Instead of just leaving you on your own to figure it out, I'll be there to guide you, to mentor you through the complete course. If you have a question, I'm there to answer it. You need help, I'm there to help. In a few short days, working together, I guarantee you will be fully up to speed with the Market Makers Method. You'll be looking at charts and instantly knowing what is going on. You will know exactly what to look for to enter a trade and exactly what to look for to exit a trade. Okay, enough said. When you're ready, let's just see how fast we can bring those amazing things into your life called choices. All the very best for my family, yours. Look forward to working with you soon.